myself Dr. Anjali, Assistant Professor, Department of Physiotherapy, RPIIMS. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. Immigration of leukocytes leads to diapedesis. Migration of leukocyte towards site of inflammation. Stimuli for movement are chemoattractants. The chemotactic factors mediate transmigration of leukocyte after crossing several barriers to reach the agents acting as potent chemostatic substance for leukocyte are called chemotaxins or phagocytosis, the process of engulfment of solid particulate material by the cells. Two types of phagocytic cells, polymorphonuclear neutrophils and the circulating monocytes. Following steps: phagocytosis, recognition, attachment, engulfment, killing and the degradation. Phagocytosis: IgG opsonin and the C3b opsonin are the main opsonization, making tasty and attractive. The chemical mediators are plasma derived and the cell derived. Plasma derived are complement kinins and the coagulation factors. Cell derived are mast cell, histamines, prostaglandins. Specific mediator include vasoactive amines, causes vasodilation and venule endothelial cell contraction. Specific mediators include serotonin in platelet dense release triggered by the platelet aggression. Arachidonic acid metabolites, prostaglandins and leukotrienes are derived from the arachidonic acid metabolism through cyclooxygenase and the lipooxygenase pathway. The plasma derived are plasma protease, clotting factor, complement factor and the kinin. Kinin system leads to formation of bradykinin from the cleavage of precursor. Vascular permeability, arterial dilation, non-vascular smooth muscle contraction and causes pain. Specific mediator include platelet activating factors, cytokinins, nitric oxide, lysosomal components, increase vascular permeability by the release of histamine, prostaglandin, leukotrienes, serotonin, bradykinin, PF, platelet activating factor, NO and the nitric oxide. Factors involving the organism are type of injury, virulence and the dose. Involving the host is general health of host, immune state of host, leukopenia, local host factors. Morphology of acute inflammation include the pseudomembranous inflammation, inflammatory response of mucous surface to toxins of type 3 or irritant gases. Ulcer is the local defect on the surface of an organ produced by the inflammation. Common site stomach, duodenum, typhoid, intestinal tuberculosis, bacillary or amoebic dysentery. Suppuration or abscess formation contain purulent exudate या फिर pus and the process of abscess formation is known as suppuration. Cellulitis, diffuse inflammation of soft tissue resulting from spreading effect of substance like hyaluronate released by some bacteria. Bacterial infection of the blood is bacteremia, septicemia, pyemia. Systemic effect of acute inflammation is fever, leukocytosis, lymphangitis, shock. Fate include resolution, healing by scarring, progression to suppression, progression to chronic inflammation. Thank you.